Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1164 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.